Hey guys, so today I am doing something super quick and easy, watermelon summer look. So I highly do not recommend this primer from The Ordinary. I really didn't like how matte it made me look, and it was super silicone-y, so yeah, didn't like that. Doing some color correcting with my Sicily corrector, ridiculously expensive, but I still like it. Anything hydrating will be good. But yeah, that primer really ruined everything. I do like this product from Ilia, but it was a little bit tough because I haven't used it in a while. And to be completely honest, I just feel like that primer ruined everything. So even though like I got a decent finish on my skin, it was hard to tell because of the primer. So I'm just going in with one of Samantha's, I think this is her concealer brush, but it's a little large for me for concealer, so I used it for my face, which I liked. I had a temple breakout, you guys. Whatever. That's Armani Luminous Silk number 3. So I'm using the same brush because I wanted this to be like quick, easy, fresh, colorful summer makeup that was gonna be like comfortable and cute and done, but like simple. You know what I mean? You guys know whenever I do these voiceovers, I never remember anything, so everything will be linked down below. But this is the Charlotte Til- Whoa. Doesn't it look so intense when I do it like that? The Charlotte Tilbury like contour whatever, which like for me is a bronzer. I mean, look at how red that looks. But I'm essentially using that same brush for like multiple things. So one thing I will say about this product, I don't recommend drawing all over your face and then going to blend it out. It does kind of start to like set a little bit, and maybe it was the primer that I didn't like, you know? But personally, I've used it a couple times and I've kind of found that I like have to rub a little extra hard to blend it. There's like kind of a patchy thing that happens on my forehead. So just keep that in mind. And then I wanted to do some contouring to my lips and my nose like I typically do, but I was like, ugh, you know, I want this to be easy. So I'm using my Fenty Matchstick in Amber and then literally just like blending it real quick with my finger. So when I'm in a rush, I love using my fingers. I think they're just like great tools, you know? So I'm going in with this Tarte stick. I don't know, everything will be linked down below, but it's like a really pretty watermelon color. Once again, using that exact same brush and just blending. I thought it was pretty. Like it's a kind of a nice formula. It's not like way too wet, although that primer did make my face kind of dry. Now I'm going in with this ColourPop Super Shock blush on my eyes because I was like, this is really pretty. And I'm just doing a light wash like all over the lid and up to my brow. So I wanted that to be like essentially the statement, you know? I did a little bit of setting with my LC powder just to like make sure that stuff didn't move around, you know? And then I decided I wanted like a little bit more color on the cheeks. So I'm going in with another one of those Tarte blushes, but this one's a little bit deeper. It's a little bit more of a berry color. So kind of to contour a little bit, you know? I'm filling in my lips lining my lips with Nude Beige by NYX, one of my favorite drugstore lip liners. And then I'm literally gonna use those exact same blush sticks on my lips. And honestly, such a beautiful color. Creates like a stunning flush of color on the lips. I put the berry color on like the outer corners. So pretty, I really loved it. I'm going in with Blossom Glow by Wet n Wild for my cheeks because I've just been into like the pinks and like it seemed appropriate for this look, you know? Very general placement of everything. Obviously, you always have to hit, or I always have to hit the inner corners and the brow bone, you know? I don't know. Some people think that that's like so over, but I love a bright inner corner. And then I just felt like my cheeks needed like a little bit more something. So don't be afraid to like go back and forth, you know? Okay, we get it. You blend. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm taking a little bit down. Yeah, whatever. Whatever's left over my brush. I did that earlier. I don't know. I'm using the REPHR Brow Sculpt stuff, which I do like. So I don't know. I've gone kind of back and forth on this product, but I'm using it to set my brows, and it is effective. It's very effective. And this time I had an easier time not getting it like all over my face, you know? And then while I'm waiting for that to set, REPHR Lash Curler, love it so much. And then I'm going in, wait, what mascara is that? Oh, you know what? I used Dior Show, but in brown, which was such a random purchase, but I've been wearing it a lot recently and I kind of love it. Anyway, I'm finishing my brows with the new About Face brow pencils. Obsessed, love. I'm using the shade Taupe. It's just like so easy. Such a nice, like interesting formula. Anyway, I don't know. I'm obsessed with it. So that's what I'm using. Over top of that REPHR. Wait, fuck, did I call it REPHR? Did I even say the name? It's a REPHR. Okay, so finishing touch, ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. You guys know I love these so much. And I was like, I want this to be like, you know, a contrasty pop. So you obviously don't have to do this, but I thought it was really cute. So if you want to play with color, this is a really good way to do it. It's simple, pretty, not too intimidating. I hope you like this look. Let me know if you want to see more summer looks. I'll see you guys soon.